Mindfulness means being fully present in the moment. It helps you focus, reduce stress, and get more done without feeling burned out. No special tools, apps, or quiet rooms needed, just your attention. Exercise 1, the 60-second breathing pause. Pause whatever you're doing, close your eyes if you want. Breathe in slowly through your nose for 4 seconds. Hold it for 2 seconds. Now breathe out through your mouth for 6 seconds. Repeat this for 1 minute. Feel your body relax and your mind become clear. Do this before starting work, switching tasks, or when you feel overwhelmed. It resets your mind like a mini mental reboot. Exercise 2. Mindful walking. Next time you walk, whether it's to the kitchen or outside, try this. Notice how your feet feel on the ground. Feel each step, each movement of your legs. Pay attention to your surroundings, the sounds, smells, temperature. No need to rush, just walk and be aware. Even a 2-minute mindful walk can boost clarity and calmness. Exercise 3. The 1-minute object focus. Pick up an object nearby, a pen, a cup, or even your phone. Look at it closely. Observe the shape, color, texture, and any small details. Touch it. Feel its weight and surface. Let your entire attention rest on it for just 1 minute. This trains your brain to focus on one thing at a time, improving your attention span. Exercise 4. The mindful stretch. Stand up. Stretch your arms slowly above your head. Take a deep breath in. Now stretch side to side as you exhale. Feel your body. Feel the tension release. Do a slow neck roll and relax your shoulders. It takes less than 2 minutes but helps your body and brain reset. You don't need 30 minutes of meditation to be mindful. These short exercises can fit into any routine. Morning, work breaks, or bedtime. Try one today, and you'll notice the difference in focus and calmness. Mindfulness isn't a task. It's a habit that transforms how you live and work, one small moment at a time.